Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about Bitcoin and yung bull market support band. Currently, yung Bitcoin is nagtitrade at around 21,484 US dollars. So, nagkaroon ng konting rally the past couple of days. So, from July 2 up until now, medyo up yung Bitcoin. So if we take a look, so sabihin natin dito lang sa bottom na to. So we're currently up by around 12%, and if we go up dun sa high talaga dito, na around 22,300, up yan ng 16%. And if we base it off the low, around 17,000, currently up ng 22%, and kung dito nakapagbenta, around 26%. So this is a good relief rally, but I think hindi naman full on relief rally kasi marami pa tayong dates na kailangang abangan. Yung pag-release ng CPI this July 13, and yung FOMC meeting ng Federal Reserve. And bago natin pag-usapan yon, tingnan muna natin kung nasa na ba yung bull market support band. Itong bull market support band is yung 20-week SMA or simple moving average, and yung 21-week EMA or exponential moving average. So currently, syempre, bumababa na din yan kasi mababa na yung prices ng Bitcoin currently. Nasa 33,600 yung 20-week SMA, and yung 21-week EMA is 31,900. Again, we use this as a basis kung nasa bull market ba tayo or kung nasa bear market tayo. Essentially, kapag ka nasa ilalim tayo nito nagtitrade, ibig sabihin bearish yung market. And then kapag ka nasa taas naman tayo, ibig sabihin lang nun bullish yung market. So ever since nung 2020, after nung flash crash nung March 2020, after a couple of weeks, umakyat na tayo, nagtitrade na tayo, and hinohold natin as support yung bull market support band. Kaya nga yun yung tawag sa kanya. Pero sa ngayon, since nasa ilalim tayo nitong band na to, pwede natin siyang tawagin na bear market resistance band. Kasi habang nasa ilalim nga tayo nito, bearish yung market. And alam na naman natin na dahil because of the macros, macroeconomic factors, risk off yung mga markets ngayon. Lahat ng tao is nagbenta previously or until now nagbebenta pa rin sila, and they are flocking sa USD, sa mga fiat currencies or sa PHP. So sa ngayon, medyo malayo pa yung kailangan natin tahakin bago tayo mag-trade above this bull market support band. So from this current price point, kailangan natin ng around 59% na pump bago tayo umakyat ulit doon. And syempre, ito naman nagbabago to palagi, depende sa price ng Bitcoin. So, sabihin natin close to like 65-ish%. Kasi pagka tumaas yan, syempre, magko-contract din to, tataas din yung values dito. Kasi moving average to. So, lagi yan nagbabago. Depende sa market price ng Bitcoin. Although, hindi naman drastic agad yung pagbabago kasi nga moving average to. But, I know, you know what I mean, Kasi moving average nga siya. So, lagi yan dumidepende dito sa current market price and sa mga previous prices. And nakaalis na rin tayo dun sa mababang RSI. So pagka below 30 tayo, ito yung RSI, yung purple. So ngayon nasa 30.53 tayo. And ito na yung lowest sa weekly. 26.09, and isa pa dito 27.08 and 25.72. Ito na yung pinakamababa na weekly RSI ng Bitcoin like ever. Kasi dito bear market ng 15 nung nag-bottom around 28.19 yung RSI weekly, and then dito 30.67. Then on 2018 nag-bottom, actually dito nag-bottom, ayan, 28.82 lang. So kaya marami rin nagsasabi na the bottom is in, but yung current bear cycle kasi ngayon, sobrang pangit nung macro, And there's a chance na we can still experience more pain in the future. And kaya nga mahalaga yung dates no, na July 13 and July 26 to 27. Kasi tingnan na natin dito. Yan, ito website to ng Fed. So yung FOMC meeting, so dito nalalaman no, kung nag-contract ba yung GDP ng United States. So, on July 26 to 27 yun yung meeting, and then I believe 28th or 29th i-announce kung ano ba yung growth ng GDP ng United States. Sa first quarter ng 2022, nagkaroon ng negative growth. So, kapag ka negative ulit yung growth for the second quarter of 2022, then that will confirm the recession. So that is not good no? when we're talking about macroeconomics. Hindi maganda yung recession for the United States kasi buong mundo maapektuhan yan. Then yung isa pang mahalaga is galing sa US Bureau of Labor Statistics. Para sa atin, counterpart sa Philippines Statistics Authority, if I'm not mistaken, yun yung nagre-release ng ating CPI or ng inflation. So dito, July. Nasa na ba? June 2022 bale yung ipapakita nila. So July 13 yan ipapakita. At 8:30 AM. I think EDT to. So this would be PM sa atin ng July 14. Yeah. If Eastern to. And ayun, yun lang naman yung gusto kong pag-usapan na yes, nagkaroon ng konting relief rally yung Bitcoin and yung mga cryptocurrencies. Kita naman natin dito yung total. Remove drawings. Ito, pwede na rin natin tanggalin to actually. So yan, di ba? The past couple of days, umaangat nga siya. And nag-bottom yung market cap at around $762 billion. Ngayon 931 billion na ulit siya. Yes, there's a possibility na the bottom is in, but there's also a possibility, and we have to consider this, na pagka hindi maganda yung binigay na inflation, like for example, tumaas ulit yung inflation, matatakot na naman yung market, no? Na ay hindi pa pala tayo nag-peak sa inflation. So, magkakaroon naman ng mga sell-off and ida-drag nito pababa yung markets. So, that's not good. Although, kapag ka, for example, bumaba or na-retain lang yung 8.6% na inflation sa United States, I think that would be an ideal scenario. Kasi hindi naman siya shock yung tao na, hindi, tumaas na naman yung inflation, ano ba to? So, kumbaga, pwede nating ma-retain itong level sa to, itong 21,000, 20,000 na Bitcoin. Pwede hindi na tayo mag-dip. But of course, depende nga yan kung ano nga ba yung numbers na i-release on July 13th. And another one, kapag sabihin natin no, na nag 8.6%, 8% lang yung inflation sa US for June 2022. Yung numbers na i-release naman ng Fed for the GDP growth by the end of July, mahalaga din yun. Kasi kapag negative ulit yung growth ng GDP, again, ma-confirm na yung recession. And if hindi naman, kung naging stagnant lang or nag-increase pa ng konti yung GDP, then that's really good for us, no? For the markets, for the investors. Kasi that would mean na probably magra-rally yung markets. And that would be a very good sign. But, you have to be ready. You can always hope for the best, but always expect the worst as well and be prepared for it. Kasi hindi natin masasabi. Again, we can only rely sa mga announcements sila. And hanggat wala pa yun, dapat ready tayo. Ready for more pain. And of course, kung hindi naman, flip side, ready for the pump. And of course, control your emotions. Huwag kayo ma-FOMO if ever magkaroon nga ng pump. Sabi natin nun, okay inflation for June. Then, okay, magpa-pump yan. Huwag kayo ma-FOMO agad. Kasi hindi pa natin alam talaga kung ano yung mangyayari. And hindi naman consensus, but ang dami nagsasabi na we're in for more pain this 2022. But if not, if yung 17,000 na Bitcoin was really the bottom, then hopefully nakabili kayo at those prices. And I mean, 20,000 Bitcoin is still very attractive in my opinion. Kasi in the next couple of years, I think na it will hit 100k or even more. And yung iba nga na mga Bitcoiners, na mga iba maximalist they're saying na it will hit 1 million in the next 5 to 10 years. So, I mean, we never know. Speculative asset to. And ang daming kailangan mangyari and ang daming kailangan inject na capital sa market para mangyari yun. But we'll see. Anything is possible. Lalo na dito sa cryptocurrency. Like, di ba? Nag 69k nung November lang and then ngayon nasa 21k na ulit. Nag 17k pa. So, kung gaano siya kabilis bumagsak, pwede rin ganoon kabilis umakyat ulit. Again, ngayong bear market, in my opinion, the best strategy is to DCA. Kasi ang hirap timing ng market and it's almost impossible to do it accurately. And mga investors nga previously na sinasabi it's a fool's errand. So you can't really do it 100%. And yung mga predictions, it's always 50-50. It's a 50% chance na tama ka, 50% chance na mali ka. And when it comes to technical analysis naman and like models na ginagamit for TA, sinasabi nga nila na all, I'm not sure kung sino nagsabi but sinasabi niya na isang biyasa na TA na technical analyst yun. Sabi niya all models are wrong, some are useful. So you have to understand that. Kasi yes, ang daming daming courses, ang daming types ng TA, ang daming indicator na pwedeng pagbasihan kung paano ba iti-trade yung isang crypto asset or yung isang stock or isang asset. But no one really knows what will happen on any given day. You can always have a forecast and again, always be ready kung ano yung mangyayari. Kung magpupump ba o babagsak. Always be ready. And ngayong bearish yung market, DCA guys. DCA Bitcoin and Ethereum. And always make sure na you still have some capital in case na mas bumaba pa yung prices. Kasi ngayon medyo boring na ulit yung market, no? Kasi nagsistick na lang siya yan from after nitong downfall na to nung early June from 30k bumagsak na nga sa 17k. Then yan, medyo range bound na lang siya ulit yan. 22k from 17k to 22k. Hindi tayo sobrang umaalis dyan sa prices na yan. So, yung market lang din magde-decide kung saan ba tayo papunta. And again, magre-rely nga yan sa macro. So, yung announcement ng Fed and yung announcement ng US Labor, kung ano man yun, nasan ba? Yung US Bureau of Labor Statistics. So, pagka nalaman natin yun, doon magkakaroon ng kumbaga confirmation kung saan pupunta yung market. And again, yung market yung magde-decide kung saan tayo pupunta. This is ultimately out of our control. And yung pwede lang natin gawin is to control our next actions. Ano bang gagawin mo pagka nag-dump palalo? Ano bang gagawin mo kapag nag-pump? Alright, that's gonna be it for this episode guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I appreciate you. If you like this content, well, bigyan nyo ng thumbs up dito sa YouTube kasi sobrang nakatulong yun sa algorithm. And if hindi nyo naman natripan, give this video a thumbs down. If bago ka sa channel ko, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every single day. And you can also follow me sa mga social media platforms ko. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at emanpsph. Again, thanks very much for watching and listening. Stay safe out there and always remember, be Peso smart.